Any pending applications in this case?
Yes, because one is section 20. I have some in this case at the time of admission.
Ji.
And after admitting that appeal, my interim application under section 24 was allowed. And at that time, 7,000 maintenance was granted by this honorable, looking to the salary of the respondent at that time when it was 14,000. Now the salary is more than 14.
No chance of settlement now?
No, there is no, madam. In fact, my lord, the parties have been residing separately for the last more than 14 years.
14 years.
Yes, my lord.
I have my submission that after allowing my that application, I have submitted application for increasing the maintenance amount in the year 2022 before this honorable court. The honorable court has passed the order that your application shall be considered along with final hearing. Therefore, I have submitted application section 25 because at the time of final argument, after disposal of the appeal, 24 is not maintainable. Therefore, I have submitted application on the same fact on the ground of section 25 of the Hindu Marriage Act. That look now in this case, my lord, because
24 already allowed. Now you want enhancement of that.
that enhancement,
14,000.
my lord, how much?
कितना मांग रहे हैं आप? Enhancement कितना मांग रहे हैं?
Sir, we are submitting application and we are claiming 28,000 मांगा sir.
On what basis?
My lord, what happened in this?
What is the income of this?
Placed on record,
4,000.
placed on record the affidavit of rights with regard to the income.
रजनीश नेहा के लाइट में?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
आपने भी?
दोनों है भाई, your lordship directed to file the affidavit in the light of Rajneesh Meha and the affidavit filed by the my lord respondent, thereby suppressing his bank account. My lord, Rajneesh Neha के account में there is a specific provision to show the bank account. I have submitted bona fidely my bank account, my lord, before your lordship, but he submit not applicable. What is it means? Rajneesh Neha affidavit.
कितने साल से अलग रहे हैं? 14.
Lord, may I just submit one thing, Lord? Our own High Court, Lord, at principal seat, Lord, has decided this issue, Lord. Although, my Lord, my learned friend is free to argue and address this honorable court on merits, Lord. My Lord, our own High Court has decided when the parties are residing separately for decades, my Lord. And even if the appeal is pending and there is a decree on the basis of cruelty, the honorable court is not precluded, my Lord, to my Lord, consider the irretrievable breakdown, Lord. This is the recent judgment, Lord.
Sir, my submission that she is having two kids, my lord.
Just complete, my lord, because that aspect of the matter, my lord, is also relevant, my lord, in this appeal. Because this appeal itself relates to 2014. And before the decree, my lord, the parties were already separated. So this is not an irrelevant consideration.
2003 marriage.
Yes, my lord.
So already 21 years have lapsed.
Out of
ये 2010 से अलग है, ये अलग है 2010 से. When the petition under
in this matter,
2010 से अलग.
decree was on
Argument is
cruelty.
my submission kindly hear on my application first, which is submitted because she is having two children, my lord. One daughter whose marriage is going to be settled in few years, my lord. And second,
Yes, this is misconceived, my lord. May I just respect?
गुजरात में
मैं एक मिनट law बता दूं. मतलब this argument is misconceived for the reason being a simple reason, my lord. This appeal is arising out of a final decree, and my lords are hearing us, my lord, finally.
Yes.
So where is the question of considering, my lord, an application for interim maintenance in the light of section 24? There is no necessity if your lordships are hearing us finally, my lord. There is no scope, my lord. Either we may be heard finally of that interim application because, my lord, the permanent alimony, if so, if lordship are pleased to award in the final decision, that aspect can be considered. But because 24, my lord, loses its effect and implication the moment we are before a lordship or final hearing of the matter.
Then 25 can be filed separately.
It can be, my lord. And if your lordship are pleased to consider,
can file along with the petition, my lord. If the petition is finally decided, then under section 25 to safeguard the minor children interest, this honorable court may pass the maintenance.
that's an altogether different consideration, my lord. That is what my respectful submission is.
इसमें कंसेंट है सर इन्हें बच्चे को रखने के लिए. सेक्शन 24 के रिप्लाई में 25 के रिप्लाई में.
Children with whom? Children with whom?
With the mother.
When she is present, my lord, in this.
Children with wife.
नहीं.
Children are with the wife.
Yes. And only 7,000 she is getting housewife.
What the husband is doing? Husband doing
He's
what?
a government employee.
What do you say? What is
It's
status?
a fourth class employee.
What class?
I placed on record, my lord, the latest certificate of salary also.
What about the
I
children?
will submit it.
What about the children, sir? They may be separate. Okay. What about the children? So both are two children are male and female.
Therefore, I requested your lordship that my lords may consider it, this aspect of the matter under section 25, not under 24.
हाँ 25 लगाया ना 25 की एप्लीकेशन ही लगी है उसमें
Then, my lord, we are required to be heard finally. If your lordship comes to a conclusion, my lord, and the recent law says, my lord, even if there is a decree on cruelty, since the principle of irretrievable breakdown, my lord, is present.
What about daughter or both the sons or one daughter and son?
One daughter, one
One daughter and one son.
Yes, sir. Daughter, what she is doing?
So that interest can be taken care of.
Daughter studying school.
Both are studying.
son.
What about their fate? Your husband, you are a
I am husband, my lord.
What should we do? He will do.
My lord, I am paying
Then.
7,000 rupees per month. So that may be reasonably enhanced, my lord, looking to my
The
salary.
maintenance for the marriage and all that.
My lord, that may be considered, my lord,
You-
looking
you-
to my financial capacity and strength.
Discuss with the husband and do something
No,
for the
that-
daughter.
So it's gives the daughter belong.
Okay.
With respect to submission, in reply to application,
Properties and anything, he may give it to the daughter.
in reply to my
tried to settle.
That's why they those things are settled automatically. It's
Oh.
everything easy to. That's why.
My respectful submission, my lord, my reply to application under section 25 and 24. And he submitted his consent to keep the daughter with him, and we are ready. So the matter can be amicably settled. We, sir, section and a trial court के जवाबदारी से लेके इस माननीय this honorable court में submit application के reply में repeatedly he said that he is ready to keep his children belong. So therefore, amicably it may be settled that he should keep the daughter with him and his mother will keep the son. And amicably, my lord, the maintenance may be increased in the light of the income.
We cannot direct here. In this case, can we direct that the child will stay with
No, not at all.
father and this girl will stay with father? इसका scope है क्या?
No, it cannot be done.
Choice with the children.
It will be
Choice with the children.
They are
amicably settled, my lord. He calls him and नहीं तो सर 7,000 में क्या करेगी? She is a housewife and sir, her mother was helping her. In Corona, her mother died and therefore her entire income stopped, my lord.
Lord, what I am proposing, Lord,
In the interest of justice, looking to
nobody,
humanitarian ground,
no, but my lord,
it is seen that who the interest of minor children should be
your
protected.
lordships have all the
Hello.
jurisdiction, my lord, to
Yeah.
pass any order, my lord, so far as, but looking to the financial capacity of the respondent. That is what my entire submission is.
This is not professional job. This is we have to settle the matter in the light of humanitarian ground and looking to the children of the parties, my lord.
I am still not able to understand what point my learned friend is going to address, my lord. On one hand, my lord, he is pressing his appeal, another hand, my lord, is trying to get the matters amicably settled. So let him be clear at least
एक
what
बार
he wants.
बात तो हुई थी ना चेम्बर में बुलाया था ना ये नहीं
एक बार बुलाया
वो रखने के ऊपर बात हुई थी कि तो रखने के लिए उन्होंने कहा कि नहीं रेडी है, तो ठीक है, तो बच्चे को वो लेने को तैयार है सर।
अभी after lapse of 14 years
yes, my lord.
and marriage took place in 2003
Yes, my lord.
there is irretrievable breakdown of marriage.
Certainly. Another problem with
There is no possibility
custody,
of staying together.
so far as the custody of kids are concerned, I am a father, Lord. I don't deny it. But there is a separation of long 14 years, Lord. I have lost every of my feeling, emotions.
But you had filed an application here. IA, you have filed in the IA.
Lord, in fact, the children would not be comfortable with me. This is what my submission is. Lord. There is a long separation, my Lord. They are
IA number 69/24 recently filed. Custody grant, permission to grant the custody of daughter to the father.
Yeah, this is his application, not mine.
And it's your application.
Yes, my Lord.
And there is a consent that I am ready
I
to
don't
do. Finally, see that
that there is no scope under
Prathi-
this appeal so far.
मैंने कहा कि प्रति प्रार्थी जो है अपने दोनों बच्चों को रखने को तत्पर है. Everything from the trial court. ट्रायल कोड में सेक्शन 24 के रिप्लाई में था
mother is comfortable with daughter with the mother is
Sir, on
comfortable.
affidavit, he is
He's elder than this.
हाँ,
इससे बड़ी है लड़की ना? लड़के से बड़ी है।
बड़ी है, वो अभी कॉलेज में है
But they are grown up lot already. Milord, may I just request one thing, Milord? What my learned friend wants, Milord, let him be clear on the point, Milord. But whether he is interested in pressing this appeal, because Milord, the law is settled, Milord. There is a-
Now we will decide it. We will not adjourn it now.
No, Milord, I am not
सब हो गया है इसमें, सेटलमेंट की बात हो गई, एक बार चेम्बर में बुला लिया, सब हो गया.
हाँ.
So we cannot keep on.
ये रखने को डॉटर को, जैसे इन्होंने रिप्लाई में भी कहा है कि मैं रखने को तैयार हूँ, तो एक डॉटर को रख लेते और वाइफ और लड़के का मेंटेनेंस
इसीलिए तो बुलाया गया था. आप
नॉट प्रेजेंट.
डिस्कशन करते नहीं है, कोई सेटलमेंट नहीं करते हैं, तो क्या हम लोग क्या इसको पेंडिंग रखे मुकदमे को फॉर एवर?
और वाइफ और
नहीं, अब ऐसा है, ये अभी आपको तो मालूम होगा ना, यहाँ चेम्बर में बुला के बातचीत हुई थी.
उस पॉइंट पे नहीं, वो इसलिए
सेटलमेंट करने को आप लोग तैयार नहीं, इसलिए फाइनल हियरिंग में लगा दिया इसको. अब आप बहस कर दीजिए जल्दी से. विल डिसाइड इट फाइनली. विल टेक केयर ऑफ एवरीथिंग. योर एप्लीकेशन 25 और कौन सी सेकंड एप्लीकेशन फॉर हैंडिंग ओवर द पोजीशन ऑफ द डॉटर, सब कर देंगे.
हालांकि साथ में रहने को तैयार, ये भी कहने का, पर वो नहीं माना उन्होंने उस समय कैमरा.
अरे तो हो गया ना, सब खत्म हो गया वो. दैट
फिर भी सेटलमेंट नॉट हुआ. इफ ही इज एग्री सर,
टाइम दिया था नहीं सेटल करने के लिए. आप लोग झगड़ते ही रहते हो, तो सेटलमेंट होने वाला बेस्ट.
इस पॉइंट पे नहीं,
फाइनल हियरिंग में लिस्ट में लग गया. अब आप बोले इसको सुनिए,
आने नहीं है,
नहीं जरूरत नहीं उनकी.
बिन बुलाया गया तो वहां पर बिन एफिडेविट विदाउट हिज.
आर यू रेडी टू आर्ग्यू और
Yeah,
प्लीज आर्ग्यू.
यस.
मेरिट पे आर्ग्यू करिए, देख लेते हैं इसको. 2014 की अपील विल नॉट एडजर्न नाउ. इट इज ऑन योर रिक्वेस्ट. वी हैव ऑलरेडी टेकन अप दिस हियरिंग.
यस.
Suppose if we have 1 year service.
अच्छा, इनकी सर्विस कितनी बची है अभी?
अभी तो
around 15 years.
अभी तो टाइम है 17-18 साल के
15-16 साल बची. He was
3 years.
more than 35 in 2010.
So we should be
By
given something
24,
to the
he must
daughter.
have crossed Milord 46, 47.
Confirm the decree and divorce is not a big problem, but you should see this welfare of the children.
What can is the power?
That's why you should call him, at a deposit of 10 days.
That we have done.
Chamber, sir.
वो तो पैसे देने को तैयार ही नहीं थे ना लास्ट टाइम भी. जब अपन चेम्बर में बुलाए थे, सेटल करने को तैयार नहीं थे.
सेटलमेंट की जो बात है, 3 कैमरा प्रोसीडिंग हुई थी, उसमें साथ में रहने के मुद्दे पे ही डिस्कस हुआ था. उसमें वो रेडी नहीं थे. देन योर लॉर्डशिप टिक द केस फॉर हियरिंग. द मैटर सर इज प्लेइंग विद द कोर्ट्स. व्हाई कमिटिंग
Inquire the husband, how much you will pay to the daughter at least.
How much amount will be paid by the husband to daughter and
This is what my precise submission. That Milord, the 25 application, I have just one line submitted, Milord.
Not 25 lump sum, something should be deposited there.
25 only for the purposes of section 25, Milord. Whatever amount I can take out from my pocket, Milord, is my salary, Milord. So I am requesting, Milord, I am in your lordship's hand. Your lordship may decide it. But looking to the salary and the financial status, nothing more, Milord. Because 7,000 I am paying. If your lordship increases it by any amount reasonably, Milord, I am ready to pay. Because so far as one-time amount is concerned, Milord, since he is a government employee, Milord, he cannot, Milord, take out the money out of his pocket, Milord. He is salaried man, Milord. Either he'll have to borrow money from the market or whatever be the circumstance. So, Milord, either
You will ask the husband, sir.
for 7,000, if your lordship increases it reasonably, it would satisfy me. In fact, Milord, the expenses which I incur on myself, Milord, has to be deducted first, Milord. My learned friend is very anxious about so far as my 50,000 salary is concerned.
नहीं वो
My personal expense has to be.
ड्यूटी.
And Milord, I'm saying, Milord, I'm putting it, Milord, on board, Milord, that the 7,000 monthly, just in proposal, Milord, that 7,000 monthly may be increased reasonably. So that, Milord, the monthly need,
You pay, please tell us.
Milord, it may be enhanced, Milord, to 20,000 from 7,000. 13,000 is a sufficient increase. For lump sum amount, my lord, he's a government employee.
Class 4.
Yes, my lord. कहाँ से अगर आप आज आप कहते हैं कि मेरी बिकॉज मतलब द नीड इज अ काइंड ऑफ रिलेटिव टर्म
Any properties he is possessing?
मतलब दिस इज द हाउस ऑफ माय मदर मतलब इट्स अ प्रॉपर्टी मतलब नथिंग कैन बी ड्रॉन फ्रॉम अ प्रॉपर्टी मतलब
Hmm.
It is five
either
star
either is compelled
I was submitted,
to
whatever.
7-star property.
Yes.
For paying you, I cannot be compelled to sell it.
This respondent has constructed it.
This was a mother and father ने.
हाँ तो वो अपने इनकम से किया उन्होंने, तो वो थोड़ी आप इनका हो गया.
My submission is 50,000 getting as a salary and nobody before this.
District council is saying that he will ready to pay 20,000 out of.
At least 7,000 is a school fees of one children.
क्या करेंगे अब, उसकी इनकम ही अगर 50,000 है, उसको 1 लाख देने का
There is no dependent on me. We have proved by the affidavit that he is a
How much
he is getting 40,000 rupees pension and father is in service.
Mother is not paying
अगर की इनकम ये
Not depending. I am not saying that from
so how much does he propose? 50,000.
ऐसे दोनों एक साथ मत बोलो.
Sir, my submission.
I think this is not the way.
I am not requesting that from the income of mother and father something to be given to the petitioner. I am submitting that there is nobody dependent on me. He is getting 50,000 rupees per month. And sir, in merit, if your lordship, he himself may not went from the premises of the appellant. ये इनको गवर्नमेंट क्वार्टर में छोड़ के चला गया बच्चों को और इनको. नहीं ये
Out of 50,000, 20,000 is ready to give.
He's a physically handicapped man. He has to incur expenses.
ऐसा करते हैं 25,000 रुपये महीना दे दो आप. 3 लोग हैं ये, 3 लोग है ना.
हाँ ये 3 लोग हैं.
हाँ तो फिर आजकल होता क्या.
50,000 में से मतलब अगर मैं मेरा 1/3 भी डिडक्ट करता हूँ तो इट कम्स अराउंड मतलब 15,000. रिमेनिंग इज 35. आउट ऑफ विच मतलब आई एम रेडी टू पे 20,000. रेस्ट इज इन योर लॉर्डशिप्स हैंड.
नहीं 25 आई थिंक रीजनेबल होगा.
Because two children.
और सजेस्ट सम वन टाइम अमाउंट.
One term loan, I have already spoken to him. He said
It's not possible for him
to borrow the money from the market.
That's not possible for a chaprasi to borrow the amount and give.
Yes.
तो ठीक तो है. अभी 7,000 में सब खर्चा वर्चा हो ही रहा है.
मैं तो इसीलिए मैंने from the very beginning मैंने कहा कि 7,000 is on a lower side.
बाकी what about the decree? Will confirm.
मतलब डिग्री if your lordship may kindly have a look at the judgment, but it has to be
Breakdown of marriage.
yeah,
No possibility of
possibility.
reunion.
Yes.
Yes.
फिर लड़की को रखना है and he is ready.
No, I am not
You
ready.
cannot compel.
वो रेडी आपके लिए इससे जवाब में कहा कोर्ट में कितने लगते हो
Personally,
देखिए
मैं तो पूछ के बता रहा हूँ.
हाँ, ये सर ये 25 के अर्जी में लगाई. रिस्पोंडेंट अपनी आय और परिस्थिति के अनुसार दोनों बच्चों को रखने को तैयार है एंड नॉट इनिशियली सेक्शन 24 के रिप्लाई में ट्रायल कोर्ट में
He cannot compel the father.
और हम बच्ची भी तैयार है.
अगर तैयार है तो फिर आप जाइए ना. ऑर्डर की जरूरत क्या है. जब दोनों तैयार है तो फिर ऑर्डर क्यों करना है. अब यू कैन शी कैन ऑलवेज रिसाइड विद द फादर.
कोर्ट से ले जाऊंगा.
नहीं ऐसा मुझे इंस्ट्रक्शंस नहीं.
परसों क्या बोले.
But I have no such
बात हुई थी कुछ गुड़िया एसीए का कुछ कोर्स वगैरह करना चाह रही है तो उन्होंने बोला कि मैं बस ना मेरी कोर्ट में लीगल वो कर रहा हूँ और जज साहब ने बोला तो अब मैं इसे कोर्ट से ही लेके जाऊंगा.
अरे लड़की 18 साल की ऊपर हो गई ना. पर
उन लोग
उसमें ऑर्डर नहीं पास कर सकते. अब वो जाए तो अपने जाए साथ में फादर के, उसमें कोई मना ही नहीं है. मेजर है लड़की, वो विषय भी नहीं है सफील का. कस्टडी इज नॉट दी पॉइंट हियर. समझ रहे ना. आप बताओ ना लीगली क्या है, क्या पॉसिबल है. कैन वी पास एन ऑर्डर डायरेक्टिंग जुडिशियल ऑर्डर डायरेक्टिंग दी दिस वाइफ टू हैंड ओवर द गर्ल. वी कैन नॉट.
बाय सबमिशन पहले
परमिशन नहीं, मुझे चाहिए लॉ पे बहस.
नहीं उसी में मैं कह रहा हूँ.
आप अगर हैंड ओवर करने की बात कर रहे हो तो बताइए.
Milord, if we ready to keep tomorrow him present, Milord, it may be settled, Milord. इतना 10 साल हो गए तो एक दिन का और इफेक्ट है.
ठीक है.
I'll call him. You call him.
टुमारो.
Yes.
in camera proceeding it may be
नहीं कैमरा और यहीं पे अब कैमरा हो गया खत्म, 3 बार मौका दिए, बार बार नहीं करते रहेंगे।
एक दिन से कुछ अच्छा हल निकल जाए।
हाँ, तो आप देखिए बहुत ज्यादा बहस नहीं होगी, अगर यस और नो में आंसर विल प्रोसीड,
Yes.
खत्म। यस लिस्ट पर है
2:30 tomorrow.
आफ्टर मोशन हियरिंग।
Yes, sir. Grateful.